This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from Giotti Line, which is actually a German company, if anything, although they're made in Italy. This one here, 636 centimeters in length, 8 Siena. This thing here has got a very large lounge and a rear washroom. It's called the 350 and it costs 53,500 euros. What this has got is all these seats around a table and a bed up there. So where's the washroom? It's in the back. And so we come down here, got this rather large washroom. Now this design has been used by other companies, most notably by Challenger Chausson for some of their vehicles. So you can see what it looks like in this. They don't use this type of wooden approach, but apart from that, because it looks more plastic in theirs, so this is a different design, but it's a different company. These come out like this, and the same sort of rear actually now is also in Rapido branded vehicles. Branded, I said. And there's the garage. And here is the shower. It's got 2 drainage holes, that's good. They're tiny, that's bad. Place up there to hang your socks from, that's good. And here is the door, which almost works. That's not so good. It would have been good if it had worked. Sink here, that's reasonably profiled, I suppose. And it's got a decent sink in the kitchen because it goes straight down and it's relatively large. 2 burners is the in thing in 2022, and that's what you're getting in all trendy motorhomes, and some motorhomes like this one which aren't trendy. This opens, possibly, it does, to reveal a bit of storage space. Now this is a cheap brand, so you might think 53,000, that's not cheap, that's an utter fortune. Well, it is if it's in the back of your pocket, but if you're buying a motorhome, it isn't. You can use this as a bed down here, and if memory serves me correctly, this will turn around to make a seat. So you can go forward. Anyway, you've got 2 belted position there, and the drivers and passengers are probably also belted as well. Does this work? Who knows? I haven't got the key, and so we can't find that one out. Got a big table here. Well, that looks quite nice actually. I'm not certain if the table's broken or not. It might be. It mightn't be. Sorry, I might be making wrong assumptions. Nice big table. And there's a rather large fridge, type of which has been seen in many previous videos. Right, do I like it? No. But anyway, if they said to me, do you want this van? I'd say, yeah, I'll take it. But if I were buying it, I think I'd look for something else. Oh, I'll stick some of this on. Sorry, that I didn't see. I'll put some of this on, right? The disinfectant stuff. And here we have the garage. So you can see, you can sort of nip from the garage straight in to the toilets. If you had a particularly dodgy curry, then that would be okay. Right, here's another one. This one's got a cab over, and this one here is the 422. It's on a Citroën, and we'll come around here and have a look. It's 6 meters in length. It costs 53,000 euros, and let's have a look at the garage first. I don't know why I want to look at the garage first. I think it might be curious because it's got this rather large door. Look at that, it's got an enormous door. So if you're sort of transporting giraffes, for example, well, you might get the whole giraffe, but you've got baby giraffe might actually go in there. Maybe, huh? Maybe not. Right, coming in here, the first thing you're greeted with is the sign of a ladder. And if you've got a ladder, what does that mean? It means you can sort of climb up there and into bed. It's quite high. It's got two roof light. You've got a roof light in the window, and this part here will go up. This will go up. I don't want to move it up with the ladder on, and a reasonable sized table, bench. It looks uncomfortable, but I don't think it is. Kitchen. You got two burners, large sink, storage under the kitchen. What could this be? It's the bed? No. This is the washroom with a duck board. That's actually quite big. 6 metre van. This isn't bad at all. That's quite nice. And it's got a width-wise bed at the back with stairs leading up. And once more, you've got the escape hatch into the back of the van. Should you want to sort of dart here into the back, although you'd have to leave that door open there, I think, as well to get into the back. What do you think of this? I quite like it. It's got a lot of storage in here, plenty of storage. I mean, that in there above all. Got this. Sleeps 4. Oh, I like this one much better than the other one. Even though it's an overcab, and I don't normally go for overcab, so I'm sort of changing my way of thinking. There, and there's the kitchen extension. Here's another one. This one's also an overcab. This is a 430. What was the other one? 330, wasn't it? Something like that. This is a Citroën also. You've got that overcab bit up there. Siena Privelige, 6 meters. So what's the difference between the two? Maybe we'll find out. 53,000. It costs. Right. Well, no. It's one of these things. It's one of these people carriers. This, isn't it? You make a bed there. You got a bed there, and you've got 2 beds at the back here. This is one of these vans that fits about 18 people in. See the tap works. Storage there, fridges down here. There's a fridge for those that don't open fridges. And at the back, we've got a toilet. Oh no, I like the other one far better. You'd need a big wardrobe with about 72 people in. Oh, I think probably a better one would be one that worked. Anyway, I can't open that. Here you've got space for, I don't know how many people fit in there, you think? Okay, it's a bit narrow, but even the back maybe it isn't such a problem. And here in the garage you've got this bed. Right, now having said all that, let's now walk out the. Now this is a cheap brand, bear in mind. Right, where's the weight? Well, it's on a 3.5 ton basis. I knew that. Weights, sizes, seats. There you go, 2,869 in running order. That gives over 600 kilos of payload. I would have thought it would have been. Well, that's good. I mean, you've got 6 people in, of course, you're going to need that at least. But if they're adults. But no, that is good. Can't complain at that one. Okay, right, well, there's the smaller Siena Privileges. There's some more, as you can see here. Oh, there's one over here which is a small one as well. So we better dart over to that one and get that one in the video, just in case it complains later. Low profile, 6 meters. And this one here comes at a cost of 53,000. And this one's got a side bed. Nice sink, plenty of space in the kitchen. Right, that's sort of more or less normal. And you've got a bed up there as well. I can't show you how it works because I haven't got the key. Right, so you've seen four of them now. So I'll return to this one here, which was the Star. It's come up for 2022. New vehicle. Giotti Line Privelige Maxi Salon, 636cm long van. Thanks for watching. My name's Alan and I'm standing in for Tosha the dog.